Hello, wonderful South African community. I'm sitting in my bedroom and my grandson Leo is taking this video. I just really want to tell you how much Yumi and I were looking forward to landing in South Africa and to connecting with all of you in this marvelous community you're building. We also very much looked forward to bring the latest evolution of our work, which continues to develop and reveal itself. But it wasn't meant to be. Somehow the plan and the path did not coincide, and the path is that I must be here to make sure that my wrist, my fractured wrist, heals well, and that I don't really need an operation, which I very much hope I won't need to do. So meanwhile, you are going to get two amazing people who are stepping in. Sue Wingans from the UK, Hilze from Namibia, and I am really excited that they will be there to teach and bring their own wisdom, skill, expertise to you. I really do hope that one day we will simply land again in South Africa. We love you, we love your country, we love the community you've created. And so lots and lots and lots of love from us to you. Bye.